Introduction to planning your life accordingly. Life does not always go according to plan. Unexpected events happen, priorities change, careers shift, relationships evolve, and financial responsibilities increase. Although we cannot control everything that happens to us, we can control how prepared we are for the future. Planning your life accordingly means making thoughtful decisions today that support the life you want to live tomorrow. It is not about predicting every detail or creating a perfect schedule. It is about understanding your priorities, preparing for possible challenges, and making intentional choices. Many people move through life reacting instead of preparing. They wait until a financial emergency happens before they begin saving. They wait until a health problem appears before paying attention to their well-being. They wait until they feel overwhelmed before asking for help or setting boundaries. A plan cannot prevent every challenge, but it can help you respond with greater confidence, stability, and peace of mind. A strong life plan should consider more than money. It should include your health, family, career, relationships, faith, personal growth, retirement, and legacy. These areas are connected. Your career can affect your finances. Your finances can affect your stress level. Your stress can affect your health and relationships. The first step in planning your life is understanding where you are right now. Before deciding where you want to go, you must honestly evaluate your current situation. Ask yourself important questions. Are you satisfied with the direction of your life? Are your daily habits helping you move forward? Are you financially prepared for an emergency? Are you taking care of your physical and emotional health? Are your relationships supportive and healthy? Honest self-reflection can be uncomfortable, but it is necessary. You cannot improve what you are unwilling to examine. Recognizing that an area of your life needs attention does not mean you have failed. It simply means you now have an opportunity to make better decisions. The next step is identifying your values. Your values are the beliefs and principles that guide your choices. They may include family, faith, security, freedom, education, service, health, or financial independence. When your goals are connected to your values, they become more meaningful. For example, someone who values family may prioritize spending more time at home, building an emergency fund, or purchasing life insurance. Someone who values freedom may focus on reducing debt, creating additional income, or building a flexible career. Once you understand your values, begin setting clear goals. Goals give your life direction, but a goal should be more than a wish. Saying, "I want to be successful," is too broad. A stronger goal would be, "I want to complete a professional certification within the next 12 months," or "I want to save 3 months of living expenses within 2 years." Clear goals should be realistic, specific, measurable, and connected to a timeline. Large goals should also be divided into smaller steps. For example, if your goal is to purchase a home, your smaller steps may include reviewing your credit, reducing debt, creating a budget, saving for a down payment, and researching mortgage options. Each completed step brings you closer to your larger goal. Financial planning is another important part of planning your life accordingly. Money affects housing, transportation, education, healthcare, family responsibilities, retirement, and personal freedom. Financial planning does not mean you must be wealthy. It means understanding your income, expenses, debts, savings, and obligations. A basic financial plan should include a realistic budget, an emergency fund, a strategy for reducing debt, appropriate insurance protection, and long-term savings. An emergency fund is especially important because unexpected expenses are a normal part of life. A car may need repairs, a medical situation may arise, employment may change, or a home may require urgent maintenance. Savings can reduce the need to depend completely on credit cards or loans during difficult times. Insurance should also be considered as part of responsible life planning. Health insurance, disability insurance, homeowners or renters insurance, auto insurance, and life insurance can help protect you and your family from financial hardship. Life insurance can provide financial support to loved ones if the insured person passes away. Some policies may also include living benefits. Depending on the policy, living benefits may allow an eligible person to access part of the death benefit after a qualifying chronic, critical, or terminal illness. Because benefits, costs, limitations, and eligibility vary, policy details should always be reviewed carefully with a licensed professional. Planning your life also means preparing for retirement. Retirement may feel far away, but the earlier you begin, the more time your money may have to grow. Retirement planning should consider your future lifestyle, expected expenses, healthcare needs, desired retirement age, and possible sources of income. Depending only on Social Security or an employer pension may not provide the level of income you expect. Health planning is equally important. Your goals become harder to enjoy if your health is constantly neglected. Regular medical care, healthy nutrition, physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and emotional support all contribute to long-term well-being. Career planning is another major area to consider. Your career influences your income, schedule, stress level, and future opportunities. Periodically ask yourself whether your work still supports your goals. Are you developing useful skills? Are you earning fair compensation? Are you maintaining a healthy balance? Are you moving toward the future you want? You may decide to pursue education, request a promotion, change industries, start a business, or develop an additional source of income. However, major career decisions should be made carefully. Before leaving a stable job, consider your savings, benefits, monthly obligations, family responsibilities, and backup plan. Passion is important, but preparation is equally important. Relationships also require intentional planning. Healthy relationships are built through communication, trust, respect, boundaries, and consistent effort. Whether the relationship involves a spouse, child, parent, friend, or business partner, expectations should be discussed and concerns should be addressed before they become major conflicts. Planning also involves preparing for aging and caregiving. At some point, you may need to support an aging parent, spouse, relative, or even yourself. Long-term care needs can affect employment, housing, finances, and family relationships. Discussing these possibilities early can help families make more informed decisions. Your spiritual life may also play an important role in your overall plan. Faith can provide direction, comfort, wisdom, and strength. Prayer and reflection can help you make decisions with greater patience and humility. However, a life plan should never be so rigid that it cannot change. Marriage, childbirth, relocation, illness, career changes, income changes, and loss can all affect your priorities. Review your plan regularly and update your budget, beneficiaries, insurance coverage, emergency contacts, and long-term goals when necessary. Estate planning should also be included. Estate planning is not only for wealthy people. It may include creating a will, naming beneficiaries, organizing important documents, and communicating your wishes. Your legacy is about more than money or property. It includes the values, lessons, memories, and impact you leave behind. Ultimately, planning your life accordingly means living with intention. It means making decisions based on your values instead of pressure. It means preparing for emergencies while still enjoying the present. It means protecting the people you love, investing in your future, caring for your health, and remaining open to growth. You do not need to have everything figured out today. Begin with one area of your life, review your current situation, choose one meaningful goal, and take one practical step. Small actions repeated consistently can create significant change over time. Life is precious, and time moves quickly. Do not wait for the perfect moment to prepare for your future. Start with what you have, learn along the way, and make intentional decisions one step at a time. A well-planned life is not necessarily a perfect life. It is a life guided by purpose, responsibility, preparation, and hope.